Has anyone ever told you that you can find anything on the internet? That all your unanswered questions can be solved at a click of a mouse button? Now, have you ever painstakingly searched for something only to realize that you can't find it? Typed in freedom of speech and gotten lolcats as a result? Searched for ancient Chinese dynasty and gotten China Palace takeout? Well, now, there's a solution to keep your searches on track. Introducing Oogle Brain. Now let's take a look at how it works. Let's meet Ted. Ted has an important question that Oogle Brain can answer.
Why can't I talk to girls?
Maybe we can answer this question using EEG. EEG, or electroencephalography, is a tool that neuroscientists use to measure the activity of brain cells called neurons. Whenever you're using your brain, neurons are talking to each other using electrical impulses. EEG records this electrical activity by putting electrodes on the surface of your head and tells us what areas of the brain are active at a certain time. So if we use EEG while you're talking to, say, Amanda, or rather, trying to talk to Amanda, we can see lots of activity in the right frontal polar cortex, the right front part of your brain, which basically means you're freaking out. So using EEG, we can show that you're nervous when you talk to girls. Why don't you just try to relax and take a few deep breaths?
Thanks, EEG. Now I know why I can't talk to girls. Oh well.
Susie! How can you make my mom stop nagging me?
Let's try TMS. TMS, or transcranial magnetic stimulation, temporarily switches on and off regions of the brain. This means that for a certain amount of time, you are able to or no longer able to do certain things, like fuss at your kids. This activation depends on how strong the coil is and where you point the coil, which region of the brain you're targeting. The coil induces electrical activity, which then activates or inactivates part of the brain, just like muting a TV channel with a remote. We use TMS at Oogle Brain all the time.
Come on.
Honey, we were supposed to leave for our date an hour ago.
Yeah, I'll be right there. Just after I finish this game. It's so awesome. Angry Birds, you gotta try it.
Why is my boyfriend so addicted to video games? And why can't I get him to stop?
Good questions. I think we can answer them using fMRI. Using an fMRI, or functional magnetic resonance imaging scanner, we can take special images of your boyfriend's brain to see which parts are active. We'll take two images. One image is taken while he is playing games, and it's compared to the other image when he's just sitting down relaxing. If we look at the areas that are more active while playing games, those are the areas that are involved in the brain's reward system, causing reinforcement of the action, in this case, playing video games. When our reward system is activated, different chemicals in the brain are released to make us feel happy. That's why your boyfriend can't stop.
I'm sorry, I can't stop. It's science. What am I gonna do?
As you can see, Oogle Brain is able to answer some of those questions you previously thought were unanswerable. No longer do you have to worry about the days when your internet searches gave you all the wrong answers. You can finally trust the internet to solve your problems again with Oogle Brain, powered by Neuroscience.